Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from domesticatedme.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticate Me. Today I have several things to show you. Most of these things came to me through PR, but I did attend two events, one of which I featured in my most recent vlog, and that was the Beauty and Bikes event. It was an Ipsy-related event that I got a really nice gift bag from, so I want to show you that. Also, Fashionphile, one of my absolute favorite online consignment stores for luxury pre-loved items. They are finally here in New York City. They just opened up a boutique and I was invited to go to the opening, which was really fun, and I will show you a little bit of that in a future vlog. But they also gave a gift bag, so I want to show you what they gifted me at the event. So let's go ahead and dig in because there's a ton of stuff to get through. Givenchy has gifted me their Dahlia Divine perfume, and it comes in beautiful white and gold foil packaging, and I'm so excited to try this out because I immediately looked it up and looked at the notes, and it just sounds really lovely. And I am now a big perfume person. I don't know if you've heard that, but I used to stay away from perfumes and scents because I was very sensitive to them. I would get headaches if I even walked nearby a place that sold, you know, body lotion or body sprays. But thankfully, now that I'm older and after having two children, two girls, I am no longer that sensitive anymore, which is really exciting. And now I'm going perfume crazy. So I'm so excited to add this one to my collection because, again, I've heard really great things about it. How gorgeous is this packaging? It's so beautiful. This is gonna look amazing on my vanity, but that's not all that matters, how beautiful it is. Let's try this out. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. That is lovely. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. This is Eau Initiale from Givenchy, and it is a beautiful, beautiful floral feminine scent. It retails for $76. This is the 1.7 ounce bottle, and it's, if you like those feminine, lovely floral, a fruity floral scent, this is for you. In fact, this features notes of jasmine and magnolia, which are some of my absolute favorite scents in the world. So with that and sandalwood, I knew that it was going to be, that I was just going to love it, and I absolutely do. I'm so excited to wear this. Oh my God. And like I said, it's an absolutely gorgeous bottle. I'm a sucker for packaging. I will definitely get a lot of use out of this one. Moving on to the next box, it came from Influencer, and it is another perfume. It is, here's the box, and it is Katy Perry's Indie. So if you don't know, Katy Perry released a perfume. It says Different Together, introducing a scent by Katy Perry. Indie is inspired by the one thing we all have in common, our individuality. So yet another perfume I really want to try out. Okay, so this is the bottle right here. This is the packaging. It is black and white with some gold foil, white lettering. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. So on one side it is flat, and it says Katy Perry's Indie in black lettering on the white, beautiful like ceramic bottle. Top is black, and then on the side it has this imprint on it. It has these words. So the printing here says KP Indie, and then over here it says put the U in individual. All right, so the moment of truth, let's try this one out. Ooh, wow, so this one, ooh, unexpected. So this one is a little floral, but also musky. So it's definitely a very powerful scent in that you're getting both the feminine and the masculine together, and it really blends very well in a really nice scent. I would use this more at night because of that muskiness. I think it's more of a nighttime scent, but if you like that, obviously you can wear it whenever you want. Be an individual, do you. So recently I got an email from RocksBox and it said happy anniversary. I have been subscribed to RocksBox now for 5 years. I had no idea. I always mention it in my RocksBox unboxing videos that I've been subscribed for years and years, and now I know exactly how long. So I received a box from RocksBox recently, but I already have my regular box with my 3 pieces of jewelry sitting on my desk. So I knew that this was different. So I'm really excited to see what this is and why they sent it. So let's see. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's such a cute box. Okay, so here's what the inside looks like. And at the top it says, hello gorgeous. And there's a little letter that says, hello gorgeous, fall has arrived. And however you're planning to spend the sweater season, we're wishing you a great one. We're so proud to partner with wonderful, confident women like you. Cheers to another season of rocking your best self. XO, your friends at RocksBox. So nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna start pulling out some items. So the first things that I noticed here are these mugs. I love these. They are so old-timey. Like, oh, this is bringing back memories because my mother's aunts, my great aunts in Colombia, I used to visit them every summer, and they had these hanging in their kitchen, like so cute. So it says RocksBox on this side, and then it says you're a gem on the other side. And they sent me two of these. Oh, these are so cute. I love these. Then they sent me a couple of notebooks. This is super cute. So I'm gonna slip this out, and it says hair up, hoops on, go time. That's super cute, and it has little hoops on it. This one is just plain black, and it has RocksBox in white lettering. This one is super cute. It says you're a gem, and it's someone holding up a peace sign, and you can see she's got a beautiful, gorgeous ring on and a nice bracelet. Super cute. Then there are 2 dust bags. These are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. They are beautiful, gorgeous beaded hoop earrings, and it says Wilde, so I'm assuming that's the designer. And it comes in like kind of gold brown beads. So beautiful. And then the next one, oh my gosh, gorgeous. All right, these are another pair of hoop earrings, and these are by Slate. I love Slate. They're one of the brands that I was introduced to thanks to RocksBox, and their pieces are gorgeous. Check these out. These are minimalist, but definitely statement earrings at the same time. Thank you guys so much, RocksBox. Love you guys. The next box came from Pixi. And oh my goodness, here is that box. It says, no tricks, just skin treats. Indulge in our radiance enhancing essentials for the ultimate treat. Oh my goodness. And it's a bag full of toners. This has their Glow Tonic, which if you have not tried it, it is amazing. I use it every single day. I have the pads, which is my favorite way of using it, but when I run out of the pads, I just use it straight out of the bottle with a cotton swab or some sort of cotton pad to my face, and it works. It's magic. And then they also included their Rose Tonic. So the Glow Tonic brightens and exfoliates, while the Rose Tonic, it calms the skin. If you have any irritations going on, that is a really great product for you to try. It is. Love these. Thank you, Pixi, so much. I really love these. And these are travel size, so I'm going to be taking them with me to New Orleans when I head over there for Christmas. And the last box that arrived in PR is something that I didn't recognize. And here the box says Nubian Heritage. So I'm really intrigued. Oh, and it also says community commerce, certified organic, natural, and fair trade ingredients, cruelty-free, and it's a certified B Corporation. Nubian Heritage. So this is a new brand to me. I've never received anything from them before, and I've actually never tried their products. Hi Jessica, check out Nubian Heritage's Patchouli and Beauty collection. That's both sweet and spicy, perfect for the cooler fall and winter seasons. Enjoy. Okay, so I'm seeing a few products here. The first of which is the Patchouli and Beauty. I'm probably saying that wrong, by the way, so sorry if I am. This is their body lotion. It is toning and uplifting. Smell this. Oh, that's really nice. It definitely does have a sweet and kind of spicy scent to it. I really like that. That's nice. Okay, and then this, ooh, hand and body scrub. Very nice. It's winter time, so scrubs are like essential to me because my skin gets very dry. I mean, it depends on what climate you live. I'm in New York, so I get all 4 seasons and I get them hard sometimes. And it's already starting to feel like winter here in New York, and my skin gets really dry and my skin gets a little flaky. So I definitely incorporate scrubs at least twice a week to get some of that off me and make sure that I have baby soft skin. Then they also sent me the Patchouli and Beauty bar soap, which also is toning and uplifting. It says here it's a blend of exotic Beauty oil, moisturizing shea butter, and rosehip seed oil work together to create a luxurious, fragrant, and hydrating cleanser. So there you go, perfect for the winter. And then the last product here is their hand cream. And it says, again, made with rosehip seed oil. So there you go. All right, now let's get to those gift bags. Here is that Ipsy Gen Beauty event gift bag that I received at the Beauty and Bikes event. Again, it was Ipsy Gen Beauty related. It was during that weekend. I unfortunately didn't go, but I am thankful that I was able to attend this event. Now, this event, if you saw the vlog, it was at like a kind of a cycling class. So you did the class first, and then you got to go to this space where all of these brands were featuring some of their products. Unfortunately, it was my daughter's ballet class. I had to pick her up at school. You guys know my routine. So I couldn't attend the class, and then I had to just quickly go around and meet some of the brands, and then I had to quickly leave, unfortunately, but great stuff there. So this, again, is the gift bag. So there were a few things here. This is from Lotus RX, and it is their shampoo and conditioner. It says this is, ooh, dandruff control sulfate-free shampoo, and then this is scalp relief sulfate-free conditioner. I've always dealt with dandruff. It's a thing that I've tried so many products. There are definitely some that I recommend than others. So if you want me to do a dedicated video on the products that I use for dandruff, let me know. But I'm excited to try these out and see how it helps me. In the bag, they also included 2 like little samples of it. So this is good for when I travel. I love packing these in my little travel bag so that I can try out products while I'm traveling. So I'm really excited about these products because they are women-owned, women of color owned. I really want to start supporting and featuring those brands and products more on my channel. And this is one of them. This is Purlisse, and this is their watermelon energizing sheet mask. It's good for moisturizing and soothing the skin, and it smells like watermelon. I actually was able to try it out and feel it out at the event, and oh, it smells so good. And I could use a little mask. I could use a moisturizing mask right now, again, because it's winter. And ooh, it came with a little coupon that I could use on the website. Purlisse it says here, beauty through Asian wisdom. The owner is Jennifer Yen, and a lot of the products that she uses are these treatments that she learned from, I believe, her mother or her grandmother. So she's taken some of those traditional beauty remedies that she's learned as, you know, handed down from her family, and then brought these products from Asia to create this beautiful skincare line with these great ingredients. And I'm really, really excited to try this out. So thank you. This is from Yensa, and it is their Color and Face Tone Up Primer, Essential Glow 8 Super Blacks Essence. So this is apparently the superfood cosmetic. This tone up primer is infused with 8 Super Blacks Essence Perfect base for a flawless finish to makeup, increases the longevity and staying power of foundation. You wear it alone for a lit from within healthy glow, or obviously under makeup. Minimizes the appearance of pores, even skin tone for a smooth, even canvas, boosts moisture to the skin, and highlights your power points, cheekbones, and bridge of nose. This is from Skyn, and this is an Icelandic product. It says these are solutions for stressed skin. This is their hydro cooling firming eye gels with hexapeptide technology. Ooh, yeah, I could use this. Wander was also at that event, and this is their baggage claim gold eye masks. Ooh, they gave me 2 of these. I am really into eye products right now. That's another thing that I'm venturing into. I'm looking into eye creams, and I've tried out Elemis before. I really like their under eye area little patches. So definitely excited to try those. And then this was cute. This is from Magic and Manifest, and they're like little tattoos. Temporary tattoos. This is Space Sparkles, and it's just gold stars, and then this is their face sparkles, and it's like rainbow stars. So I went there with Catalina because I had to take her to Lincoln Center for her ballet lessons, so they gave her this one and then me this one, which I thought was really nice. And it says that you can adhere these stickers anywhere on your body, so you can put them on your face, which I think looks really cute. I'm gonna do that soon. Or you can like put them, you know, on your arms, your hands, wherever you'd like. Really cute. And then this is by Fatboy, and I got to talk to some reps from the brand, and their hair products sounded really good. Wow! So that was a hairband that I just dropped, and this is like a nice canvas bag, and I think there's a product in there. So the canvas bag, here it is, and it's got all these hair tools, hair dryers, combs, mirrors, spray, really cute. And let's see what's included. Ooh, Fatboy Spray Putty Flexible Matte Hold. And just to quickly tell you, the story behind this brand is that the creator was in a band, and he would, you know, create these looks with his hair, but all the product would eventually just drip down onto his face and, like, you know, burn his eyes, and he'd be all gross as he's performing. So he wanted something that would stay in his hair, make it look good, but stay and not run. So that's how he created this line. So I'm excited to try this out. And last but not least, here is that Fashionphile gift bag that I received from the opening of the New York City boutique of Fashionphile. So I'm gonna open this up and show you what they gave us. This is the Fashion Week Daily magazine, and it says Fashion Media Awards September 2018. They gave me Fashionphile stickers, so cute. Information about the nonprofit that was co-hosting the opening, which is the Bottomless Closet. They collect clothing and beauty products for women who are going back into the workforce. They do help interview prep with them and then clothe them as well, which is a really, really great organization that I hope to work with much more in the future. Here is a Fashionphile tumbler. Love this. A Fashionphile pop socket. Oh my god, I love this. Fashionphile mints. Fashionphile post-it notes. A Fashionphile vinyl, and a Fashionphile pencil. And last but not least, of course, the Fashionphile nail file. All right, and that was everything that was sent to me and gift bags that I received in the last few weeks. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it. Don't forget about that comment section below if you have any questions, comments, requests, or just say hi. You know that I love to hear from you guys. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.